Put that phone down for a second and take a look at what's probably the most important announcement of the summer. Have you been holding off on shopping for a new Ford because interest rates are too high for you to have any interest? See what I did there? Sorry about that. Or instead of a down payment, one last summer getaway sounds really good right now, am I right? Sunset Ford of Sumner's ready to rock your world. It's the Ford Summer Sales Event, and Sunset has select new Fords you can drive off the lot with 0% financing, 0 down payment, and 0 payments for 90 days. Add in warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on every single qualifying Ford, and the highest trade-in offers anywhere, and we just eliminated any logical reason for holding off another minute. But hurry in, 0% financing, 0 down payment, and 0 payments for 90 days. It ends September 2nd. Ford for America, and Sunset Ford of Sumner for you.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.